Click on the link below to get price. The NEMIX RAM 256GB 8x32GB DDR4 3200MHZ PC4-25600 2Rx4 1.2V CL22 288-pin ECC is a powerhouse designed for those who demand high performance and reliability from their systems. This RAM kit offers a staggering 256GB capacity, making it an excellent choice for workstations, servers, or any heavy-duty computing tasks that require ample memory. Installation was straightforward, thanks to the standard 288-pin DIMM configuration. The modules fit snugly into my motherboard slots, and their ECC error correcting code feature was a significant selling point for me. ECC RAM is built to detect and correct internal data corruption, which enhances system stability, especially crucial in environments where data integrity is vital. Performance-wise, the NEMIX RAM shines brightly. Operating at 3200 MHz, it delivers rapid data processing speeds, significantly improving multitasking capabilities. Whether I was running multiple virtual machines, handling large datasets, or editing high-resolution videos, this RAM never faltered. The CL22 latency is competitive for ECC memory, ensuring that while it prioritizes stability, it doesn't compromise too much on speed. Another standout feature is the heat spreaders that come with the modules. These dissipate heat effectively, maintaining optimal temperature during intensive tasks. Even under load, I noticed that my system remained cool and responsive, with no signs of throttling. The build quality is impressive, and the aesthetic is sleek and professional, making it a visually appealing addition to any build. While ECC RAM tends to be pricier than standard RAM, the investment in the NEMIX 256GB kit is justified by its performance and reliability, particularly for critical applications. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a high-capacity, reliable RAM solution, the NEMIX 256GB DDR4 3200MHz ECC kit is an outstanding choice. It combines speed, stability, and capacity in a way that is hard to find, making it